Root notes. Every scale has what's called a root note. This is the main note that the scale builds from, and it also gives the scale its key and name. For example, C minor, A minor, or D minor. Look at any of the shapes and you will see that some notes are marked in a different color. That's the root note. They're always in the same position within a shape, and in shape 1, you'll find them in 3 different places. Here, here, and here. Depending on where you play the shapes on the fretboard, the root note and key will change. Currently, this one is in C. But if we move it 1 half step down the fretboard, the root notes change to B, so the shape is now in B. If we move it 1 whole step further, and it changes to A. We'll talk more about root notes later, but for now, you just need to remember that you can change the key of the scale by looking at where the root notes are.